Without real estate, a construction project cannot move forward. So it's really critical for the real estate agent and the lender to have real-time numbers and access to data available from their fingertips. A lot of times, we all know this, is time kills deals, specifically when it comes to commercial real estate. So a lot of times where they're waiting for a general contractor or a subcontractor to provide them pricing for a tenant improvement to see how much it's going to cost to upgrade and how to negotiate their lease, a lot of times that process takes weeks and months, or sometimes they don't even get numbers, so it becomes a guessing game. So if you're a real estate agent, I'm going to show you really quick how to double the amount of leases that you're signing, decrease your timeline significantly, and increase your referral rate to 94% based on just having real-time data and providing confidence to your client and how to negotiate an LOI or a lease immediately. So I'm going to show you really quick. I'm actually going to do it from my phone so you guys could see when you're on the go how simple it is. I'm showing from my phone how simply it's laid out. And you can sign up for a 15-day free trial here. And just simply log in. Once you log in, you're going to be on a dashboard. It's super simple, easily accessible to every single feature. Here, you're going to have all your projects that you've done. Say these are the leases you might be working on or the locations. So say you want to create a new project, you're walking the space with the client directly or a franchisee. Say it's a restaurant space for X, Y, and Z brand. And it's a restaurant. It's located at 900 West Olympic. And it's in Los Angeles. And by the way, this is for every zip code in the United States. And it provides pricing for labor and materials in real time. So say you're an owner, client, or landlord. You don't have plans yet because you're just in LOI or lease. And then here, you're going to go through and answer a couple quick questions. And most likely, if you're walking the space, you already have this information. Say it's a new space. It's inside a mall. It's on the first floor. And the storefront's existing. HVAC units are existing. 1,500 square feet. Basic finish for this brand, this restaurant. The 5% profit margin. So this is what's so unique about it. You could have real-time data from your fingertips as a real estate agent. You don't have to wait for subcontractors, contractors, or play the guessing game anymore. This tremendously expedites your LOI process, where in minutes you can move forward with the letter of intent and not wait for weeks to get that back from a contractor or subcontractor. So you're in control of your deal, specifically as a real estate agent, and also you're giving your clients so much confidence because now you're the authority leader on the entire project and what that looks like. And you're going a step further, you'll see is you're providing the client calendar days to complete that project, which could be adjusted and edited at any time. Total inspections for that project, a low, medium, and high in that market, what it's going to be. So what the great part is when real estate agents are using it, they're increasing their close rate. They're signing 57% more leases using this because they're expediting the process tremendously, as well as they're getting such a high referral rate. We've seen as high as 94% for other owners and other franchisees, and franchisors are referring them as well. So the project's completed. So if you're a real estate agent, you could go through this and you could see any upgrades that you need, and you can see each line item. It's broken down. This is a bid preview. You'll have your project price per square foot to complete it, as well as your total calendar days, like we mentioned, as well as total inspections. And you can see with the restaurant, there's obviously more inspections than there would be with the retail and so forth. So then I'll go next and I'll get my pricing here. And this is the range of the pricing, so you can get a really good idea with your client what the low, medium, and high is. So they could also look and see how to mitigate their risk and what their exposure is going to be on that project with cost, right? So I'm just going to select high. And then here I could go through my line items, and here's where I could negotiate. So for example, if there is a demolition that we need to do, I could edit that and add the demolition, and I could provide it to the landlord in the LOI what the tenant improvements that we need to do and what they need to pay us. if I'm the real estate agent with the client. So I could go through this entire bid, and this is where I have my total, you can see total project cost, price per square foot, total calendar days to complete it, total inspections, qualifications and exclusions. I'll finalize my bid, and I could export it out and I could send it directly to the client. You could see here the total price, each line item broken out as needed, and you could negotiate with this as well with your client directly for your letter of intent or lease. So you could see total calendar days again, total inspections, and then we'll scroll down qualifications and exclusions, which all could be edited as well. So it's a simple and easy process. We look forward to having real estate agents on it. Now you have a real-time tool in real time that could provide you pricing for construction, which is so critical, and it's been missing in the real estate industry. Guys, look forward to having you on the platform. Thanks so much for joining.